making chocolate chip cookies, and I'm going to include the recipe when I'm done. It's so cute. Now we pour it right into the same bowl that we're using. See, it's the same shape that from the bowl when you pop it right in.
It takes the shape, huh?
I got my 2 eggies, and we can hear like the juice inside. My little white cheeks. Ah! We get our vanilla.
No problem.
So we want 3 cups.
Okay, you put the flour out.
We need a teaspoon of salt, but we only add 1 cup of it.
1
salt.
teaspoon.
Teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda. We're going to want it to look like dough. Get our chocolate chippies. I got chocolate chippies. I have brown eyes. Ooh, I'm gonna eat the ones. You can eat some chocolate chips. Bye bye my chocolate chippies. Chocolate chippies. Try a little if it's delicious. Let's try some. This is what we want our cookie to look like. Chocolate chipping. Oh. And we get our cookie scooper.
Whip.
And it like pops out. For the rest. Yes, I got it. Perfect.
That is pretty.
They're gonna spread when they're cooking, and we don't want them to like stick together while they're cooking. Go eat some. I hope they turn out delicious. Bye. Delicious.